Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown for John. Just wanted to say I hadn't forgot about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm very appreciative of that, all the subscribers. Just between the time I hit it and the time I had my knee replacement, which is why I got my leg propped up right now, I just didn't have enough time to get it all worked out. So, what I think I'm going to do is I'll come up with another video, and what I'm going to do is have certain items. I'm going to have just so many different items I'm going to give out, and I think because some people may or may not want certain things, um, I'll have you say something. Just type something in the comments. Little, by the only requirements, you got to be a subscriber, and then you'll have to type something in the comment in that video. It won't be this one, but it'll be one I come up with after I lay out the ones I want. And I'll list them. And if you just like say, the comment is comment or whatever, and you put in the word and then what item you like, um, or if you want any of them, doesn't matter, then you could just not put anything after it or put all after it. I haven't really decided. I'll let you know. And what I'll do is I'll try to do it more like, instead of once I start uh, pulling, because I don't really have a grand prize. It's just going to be several smaller prizes. So once I pull a name, if you said, you know, you put the comment in there, and so the random generator will pick it, and then you put that in, and then the item you said next to it, if it hasn't been given away yet, um, then that's what you'll win. If it's there, then you win that one. If it's been given away or it's something you haven't said, um, you know, we'll figure that out. It'll probably be like you'll just get whatever's next, and hopefully you'll like it. I guess. Um, Thought about doing a live stream of it. Still might. I haven't done a live stream on YouTube, so I haven't tried that yet. But that may be the better way to go, and then people can just enter for the ones I want to do. But can't do anything until I really get back down to the shop and kind of situated and see what I got to give away. I just wanted to let you know I'm still going to do the giveaway, and I'm really appreciative of everybody that's subscribed to my channel, and I hope to have a lot more videos coming out. I'm just doing videos now on my second knee replacement. And let me put that back up high. I'm resting on another chair. And I just want to, have some, something to give away and do some nice things, and hopefully have a little fun with it at the same time. And hopefully you enjoy it. And just keep an eye out on the channel, and I'll post it, and I'll give like a week for everybody to comment when I do it, and then I'll just pick the winners, or we'll do the live stream, whichever I decide will work best, and then we'll go from there. That's it. But I just want to let you know I hadn't forgotten about it. I'm still appreciative of it. It's just, with everything, trying to get everything ready between the time I hit the 1,000 subscribers and going in for my knee replacement, and I had so much to do around the house just to get ready because I knew I was going to be laid up for a few months. I just didn't have time to do anything much at all in the shop. So, catch y'all later. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.